CSC Strong presents the Automotive Key Caddy. Having issues losing your car keys at your dealership? Keys are sometimes found out of place or in another car. Do your salespeople try to show a car to a potential buyer only to find that the battery is dead or it is out of gas? Never lose car keys again. Organize keys in categories. Waterproof heavy-duty textile material, handy pen and notepad holder, removable divider for 2 or 3 compartment, will not scratch car surfaces, adjustable length carrying strap, durable in all weather conditions, foldable space saver design. Stop losing sales and money on replacement key fobs and contact us.